Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Have you ever walked into a candy store, faced with rows of jars filled with bright, colorful sweets, unsure of which to choose? That's how many people feel when they glance at crypto coins for spot trading. Thousands of options exist, and each has distinct flavors and risks. Just like candy, some coins are popular, while others are niche. To make a smart choice, think about what you're drawn to in a piece of candy. Is it the vibrant colors, the brand reputation, or a trusted recommendation? Similarly, when exploring crypto coins, consider factors like market trends, technology, and community backing. These elements can guide your decision like a friend recommending the best chocolate. Today, we'll break down the steps, making your selection easier. Ready to uncover the secrets behind choosing the right crypto for trading? Let's dig deeper into this colorful world. Imagine diving deep into a library filled with endless books. In crypto trading, research is your librarian, guiding you through the shelves. Start by tracking market trends. Tools like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko act like your detailed charts in a book, showing price movements and volume. Look at the winners, coins that consistently shine. They're like famous novels people recommend over time. Investigate what these coins are used for, similar to understanding a book's plot. A coin's utility often drives its value. Learn its history, read community forums, and see how active the coin's supporters are. Think about a brand of candy. Those with dedicated fans tend to have better quality. Diving into market research enables you to gather knowledge, ensuring your choices are not just guesses, but are backed by facts. Keep holding that magnifying glass as we continue to uncover more secrets. Now, let's get technical. Picture a car engine humming smoothly. It needs efficient parts. The same applies to crypto coins. Their underlying technology defines how well they perform. Some coins operate on tried and true methods, while others use advanced methods like smart contracts, which are like vending machines delivering candy automatically when you put in cash. Examine the blockchain that supports the coin. How secure is it? Fast transactions and low fees? These are essential, just as a speedy car with great mileage gets you where you want efficiently. Read the white paper, the educational manual explaining how the coin works. Think of it as the instruction booklet for assembling that car. Understanding the tech behind a coin gives you an edge and insight into its potential, ensuring your decisions are not just hunches, but informed choices based on sound mechanics. What are people saying about your candy? Just like taste tests influence our choice, market sentiment affects crypto values. Dive into social media platforms and forums where fans gather to discuss their loved coins. Platforms like Twitter or Discord buzz with opinions like a lively coffee shop where everyone shares news. Look for trends and feelings towards a specific coin. Are people excited, or is there a looming sense of doubt? Keep your ear to the ground. Enthusiasm might indicate a gem. Negativity can serve as a warning. Just remember, not every chatty friend gives wise advice. Filter opinions to separate excitement from hype. Engaging with the community can help you form a clearer picture. Stay alert like a savvy candy connoisseur, and you'll gather insights that can guide your choice. Join us as we delve deeper into the next crucial element of selecting the right coin. Next, let's get to know the team behind the coin. Think of it as meeting the candy makers behind your favorite treat. A skilled team is vital for a coin's success, just as a trusted chef ensures your dessert tastes delightful. Research the backgrounds of the founders and developers. Do they have a strong track record in technology or finance? A proactive and transparent team builds trust, similar to your favorite dessert brand being open about their ingredient quality. Active participation in updating the community shows they care, like a chef introducing new flavors. If the team communicates well, they are likely invested in the long-term success of their project. Recognizing the credible faces behind a coin will elevate your confidence in making informed trading decisions. So let's turn to the next element that contributes to your effective trading toolbox. Market capitalization is a key factor. Imagine slicing a pie. Each slice represents different coins in crypto. A higher market cap means more significant investment and stability, resembling the larger slice of pie that everyone wants. Low-cap coins can offer high rewards, but come with risks, like a tiny slice that might be too risky to enjoy. Understand the categorization. Large-cap, mid-cap, and small-cap coins each tell a story. Large-cap coins, like Bitcoin, are safer but grow slower, while small-cap coins can skyrocket or plummet quickly. It's essential to analyze your risk tolerance. If you're cautious, sticking with larger slices may be safer. However, those looking for excitement may want to venture into smaller slices. Navigating these market cap categories will aid you tremendously as you refine your choices. So let's proceed to unveil the next step in your journey. Imagine building a colorful Lego tower. You wouldn't only use one color, you'd blend multiple hues for a striking look. Similarly, diversification is crucial in crypto trading. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spreading your investments across several options can reduce your risk. Just as a mix of candies gives you different flavors, various coins can offer unique benefits. Choose strong assets for the foundation while considering emerging coins for potential excitement. Research different coins' correlation. Great portfolios balance risk and reward, much like a well-rounded candy selection satisfies different cravings. Remember, even top candies can be hit or miss. Likewise, coins can have ups and downs too. Keep an eye on market trends and adjust your investments appropriately. Guided by this understanding, let's uncover the final key elements that fortify our trading toolbox. Now, think about your ultimate goal, like preparing for a race. What do you want to achieve? Formulate clear objectives that guide your trading decisions. Are you in for short-term profits, or do you prefer holding long-term? This choice shapes your strategy. If you're aiming for quick returns, select coins with strong daily volume. They move rapidly, generating opportunities like fast candy sales. Conversely, for long-term gains, focus on established coins with solid utility and community backing. Just as in a race, keep your eyes on the finish line, reassessing your tactics as necessary along the way. Knowing your goal directs you amidst the market's ups and downs. Balance risk versus reward and stay adaptable to changes. Having insights about your objectives will pave the way for smart trading choices, leading us to our concluding takeaway to solidify your trading journey. As we summarize, remember that choosing a crypto coin for spot trading is like picking the perfect candy. Conduct thorough research. Look at the technology behind the coin, consider market sentiment, and evaluate the team. Assess market cap, diversify your choices, and set clear goals that define your strategy. These steps are not just tips, they're your toolkit for navigating the vibrant world of crypto. Whether you're a cautious investor or a thrill seeker, building a strong foundation will elevate your trading experience. So, now that you're equipped with knowledge, it's time to embark on your trading journey. Dive into this exciting marketplace and remember to subscribe for more insights, tips, and guidance on your path to wealth through smart investing. Happy trading! For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.